Hey everybody, this is Alan Hensley, and this is video number 2 in my 10-part series on the 10 ways to prioritize how you save. And step number 2 is paying down any high interest rate credit cards that you have. So this one should seem like a no-brainer. If you are paying your minimum monthly payment on your credit cards and the interest rate is 10, 15, 20+%, do what you can to pay down those credit cards and just wipe the slate clean in terms of high interest rate credit. So all credit, it's not created equal. That's why I'm saying if you have high interest rate credit cards, make it a priority to get that paid off as soon as possible. Other forms of credit can be a mortgage or a car loan. In other words, asset-backed credit lines that you might have. Step number 2, pay down your credit cards, especially the ones with a high interest rate. And also if you're into some sort of introductory program where you got 0% interest on a credit card balance that you transferred over, it's really important. Ensure that you know when that introductory period ends. Don't miss it. You don't want all of a sudden your interest rate to jump up and you are surprised when you get your credit card bill. So step number 2 is to pay down your high interest rate credit cards. If you have questions about this, don't hesitate to reach out, give me a call, shoot me an email. I'm going to put together another 8 videos that talks about the different ways to prioritize how you save. Hopefully you find this interesting. Stick around for the next video. Thanks.